Hello, everyone. Click on Add a Hotspot button, then select Actions, then click on Question tab. As shown in this UI, you can add HTML content and custom CSS to your question. Afterward, you can assign a specific number of points to it. In this example, I'm taking an unconscious person, and how will we react to that case? As you can see, I am adding a text for my question. For example, I will write down here, how will you react to that case? You can specify the number of points that will be awarded when someone gives the correct answer. Let's put it on 10 in this example. And then in option 1, I will write call an emergency, and in second option, I will write apply CPR. Next, you'll need to designate the correct answer. Additionally, you can mark multiple answers as valid options. After this, I have to turn on immersive learning mode. Then, I can add a total score for my panorama. After this, I can also add progress bar that allows user to see the number of questions that he did reply to. You can also set a horizontal or vertical alignment for your progress bar. After this, you can update preview, and then click on your hotspot to see changes. The default progress bar is vertical. Let's set it to horizontal mode. Now I will update the preview to see my changes of progress bar. I will click on my question hotspot to see my creation content. Magic happens. Let's go ahead and try to answer this question, and once we've made our selection, we'll confirm our answer. After submitting, a customized message will appear in an elegant and visually appealing way, providing feedback on our choice. Additionally, the correct answer will be revealed, allowing us to see whether our response was right or wrong. The total score and progress bar will be updated. Thanks for watching.